Welcome back to Auto Pulse. Today, we're diving into one of the most breathtaking supercars of 2025, the Ferrari 812. This machine is the perfect blend of raw power, elegant design, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most exciting Ferraris to date. If you're a fan of high-performance Grand Tours, this is a car that demands attention. At the heart of the 2025 Ferrari 812 is its naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that pushes the limits of internal combustion performance. Ferrari has fine-tuned this powerhouse to deliver an astonishing 840 horsepower, making it the most powerful front-engined Ferrari ever produced. The throttle response is razor-sharp, and the engine screams to its 9,500 revolutions per minute redline, delivering an experience that is nothing short of exhilarating. The sound alone is enough to send chills down your spine, a raw, unfiltered symphony of power that reminds you why Ferrari refuses to let go of the V12 tradition. Performance figures are, as expected, jaw-dropping. The 812 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, with a top speed of 220 miles per hour. The improved aerodynamics and enhanced weight distribution contribute to even sharper handling, making it feel as agile as a mid-engine supercar. Ferrari's latest side-slip control system, combined with rear-wheel steering, ensures the 812 remains planted while carving through corners, delivering an experience that is both thrilling and confidence-inspiring. The exterior design of the 812 is an evolution of Ferrari's signature Grand Tourer aesthetic, blending aggression with sophistication. The long hood and muscular rear haunches give it a commanding presence, while new aerodynamic enhancements improve both downforce and cooling. Ferrari has integrated active aerodynamics, including an updated front splitter and rear diffuser, ensuring optimal performance at high speeds. The signature quad taillights and aggressive exhaust layout further emphasize the car's raw power, while the redesigned headlights incorporate the latest LED technology for improved visibility and a striking look. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with advanced technology. The 812 retains its race-inspired layout, featuring a new digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data. The steering wheel houses Ferrari's signature Manettino switch, allowing drivers to instantly adjust driving modes to suit different conditions. High-quality materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather elevate the cabin's feel, ensuring that every drive feels special. Ferrari has also updated the infotainment system with improved connectivity and a more intuitive interface, making it easier to access navigation, media, and vehicle settings. One of the standout innovations in the 2025 Ferrari 812 is its improved hybrid assist system. While Ferrari remains committed to natural aspiration, they've introduced a lightweight supercapacitor-based hybrid system that enhances performance without sacrificing the V12's signature sound. This system provides an instant torque boost, improving acceleration and efficiency while maintaining the purity of the driving experience. The result is a car that feels even more responsive, especially in lower RPM ranges, without any of the drawbacks typically associated with hybrid technology. The 812 isn't just about speed, it's also designed for grand touring excellence. The adaptive suspension system provides a comfortable ride when needed, making it suitable for long-distance journeys without compromising performance. Ferrari's engineers have fine-tuned the chassis dynamics to strike the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, ensuring the 812 remains enjoyable on both highways and twisty mountain roads. The new generation of Michelin Pilot Sport tires further enhances grip and stability, giving drivers the confidence to push the car to its limits. Customization options for the 812 are virtually limitless, with Ferrari's tailor-made program allowing owners to personalize everything from paint colors to interior finishes. Whether you prefer classic Rosso Casa or a unique bespoke shade, Ferrari ensures that every 812 is a reflection of its owner's personality. Carbon fiber accents, race-inspired bucket seats, and even a lightweight track package are available for those who want to maximize performance and exclusivity. The 2025 Ferrari 812 is more than just a supercar, it's a statement of passion, engineering brilliance, and automotive heritage. In an era where electrification is taking over, Ferrari proves that there is still room for the raw emotion of a high-revving V12. This car is a tribute to everything that makes Ferrari special: breathtaking speed, stunning design, and an unmatched driving experience. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Ferrari 812. Let me know in the comments what you think about this incredible machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoPulse for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive news. I'll see you in the next video.